I want to show you guys my cook kit that I'm going to be using this year for my backpacking trips. This is the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 kit. I got this at REI. It normally sells for about 105 bucks, although they do pretty frequent 20% off sales for members. This thing weighs about 417 grams or about 14.7 ounces. Now that includes a fuel canister that I've added in here and a lighter. So I think on the website it says it's only 9.8 ounces, but you are gonna need fuel and a lighter for it, so you might as well include that in the weight. So it does include a nice little case, and I don't normally use the cases that things come in, but this is nice because it does hold it all together and it's very, very light. You can see it's got this nice little measuring cup here on the bottom with 4, 8, and 12 ounce measurement marks. That's very nice. It's got a nice little see-through lid so you can see when your water is boiling or not. I really like this little pot that comes with it. It's not the lightest in the world, but it's super easy to use. It came with a little pot grabber, and I just threw that away because I knew I was gonna lose it anyways, because it has this rubber ring around the top. So anytime I need to pick this up when there's boiling hot water, I can just grab it right here by this rubber ring, and I don't have to worry about burning my fingers. It does a great job of insulating the mug for me. And then here is the actual stove unit itself. And this thing is, took me a few minutes to figure out how to set it up and break it down, but it just kind of unfolds like this. You'll need a little mini Bic lighter. I recommend just get one of these at a gas station. These things last forever. I think I bought this 3 seasons ago. And of course, a little canister of fuel. Doesn't really matter what kind you get. This is jet boil fuel with an MSR stove. I'm not even sure that's legal. Oh, look at that. I was including the cap in the weight. No wonder it was so heavy. And you do want to, when you screw these things on, you want to screw them on. You want to get about 75% of the way and then real quick for the end so that you don't waste any gas. There you go. That's the whole setup, you guys. It doesn't have a little igniter or anything like that, which is why you got to carry the lighter with you, but that weighs absolutely nothing. And overall, I really like this cook kit. The only thing I might add is maybe a piece of aluminum foil to be like a windshield, but I haven't needed that in about 2 or 3 years of using this stove, so I'm not too worried about it for now. Okay, you guys, I weighed it again after removing this cap from the fuel canister, and we went from 417 grams all the way down to 415 grams. That's what I call some weight savings. This nice little carrying case, which normally